my winter decorating ideas 2023. If you like to see how I create this look, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen, and if you're new here, welcome guys, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back everyone. Alright, so I'm going to take off all my Christmas decoration here on my fireplace, and I'm going to decorate this one for winter. So everyone, the color that I'm still using in my winter decorating ideas, it's still a little bit of green, gold, black, and of course a hint of white. So I'm still gonna continue the color from Christmas and a little bit toned down. So guys, please grab your drinks, sit back and relax. In this decorating, I shop my home and some of the new pieces that I show you on my haul, and I'm not sure if some of the pieces you've seen this before on my decorating. I believe I have few here that I haven't styled on my video. This year it's all about maximalist. I think my style, I'm a little bit of maximalist, so I was in the middle. I'm not a minimalist, but I am in the middle of maximalist, and I love to mix all the pattern, texture, and color, and you know I love color, so you will not see here in my channel all about neutral. Sometimes I do neutral, but I love to play around with colors. So I can see I am a glam and eclectic. Please let me know if you're a maximalist or you are a minimalist. Alright, here in my fireplace guys, I still have the command hook there. It's been there for the past 3 years. I never take it out because I love to style this with garland all the time. And here I'm using my garland last year that I bought from Amazon. So I'm going to style this very simple because later I'm going to fill this up. I mean, for now, for winter, this is the way I style it, but during the Valentine's coming up, I'm going also to put more flowers here and also for spring. So for now, this is how it looks. So I put at the bottom, I put the evergreen garland from Christmas, and top of that I used the eucalyptus garland from Target. Using that before, and top of that, from the eucalyptus garland, I have the garland from Amazon. Some of you guys before asked me how I put the command hook here. So what I do is I put the E6000 plus on the command hook, and I put that on that stone fireplace overnight. So I leave there for 24 hours to make it really secured. Alright guys, so now let's continue to day 2. This is a little bit big family room, and it's a lot of cleaning here. So I did not shoot the video for the cleaning because it's a lot of work and it's gonna be really long. So all you can see here, I decorate this during nighttime. And later on guys, you will see the daytime view. Alright everyone, so I'll let you enjoy, and please sit back and relax. Also, don't forget to grab your drinks guys and enjoy the music. So as you can see guys, I use the lug holder that I show you on my haul, but for me it is very low, so I decided to put it on my other lug holder that I use it all the time here in the fireplace. And because of the height of the other side, it is very even to that lug holder that I have from Target. Alright everyone, so here is the shade of the lights. This is what I'm talking about on my haul, that they have a different color. So I don't really like it, so I might have to change the shade for this, because it's not, I think they are not looking good together on that kind of lights. Alright everyone, so welcome to my nighttime view, and later you will see the daytime view.
You came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home.
Alright guys, so here's my daytime view, and I hope you enjoy, and please let me know what do you think about this styling ideas, if you like it or not. If you ask me, I like it, of course, because I'm the one who styled this. This is the way I like to style this room. So particularly in this room, I do a lot of mixed mats in here, and I hope you like it too.
I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, and I'm gonna be Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Alright guys, so let's start from this horse right here. I believe this horse, it is vintage, and I bought this one from the antique store 2 years ago, and you can see the detail of turquoise there, and this is heavy. So if you know this brand, please let me know. I believe that one is vintage. It used to have tag in here the name, but I take it off, so I forgot what's the name of that anymore. Okay, right over here, so this hand right here, I bought this one from Ross, I believe 2 years ago as well, and I fill it up with pine cones from Target during Christmas, but I haven't had a chance to use this on Christmas. Okay, so some of the pieces over here, I'm not sure if you're new here. This one right here, I bought this one from Home Goods again 2 years ago, and the green Marlboro tray from Home Goods last year. This horse right here from Ross last year as well. Probably they will have this year again. And this sculpture right here also from Ross. And using this ginger jar on my haul the other day, and that one came from Ashley Furniture, and this vase right here from Home Goods. My big coffee table, that one came from Value City, and the brand is American's Signature, and inside of this is all about my napkin and my tablecloth, and I put this box right here because I don't have a lot of space for now. If you're interested with this coffee table, I will leave the link on my description box. It is very huge and it's very pretty, and it's very timeless. I really love it. So this is the one that when I first started to interior design this house, this is the one that we purchased first. So we splurged a little bit with our coffee table. I believe we paid 3 years ago only I believe $500, and now it's already like $1,000. Our couch also from Ashley Furniture, again this is the second that we purchased here because we don't have a lot of furniture here when I first moved here. And all the pillows came from Home Goods, and I believe this one right here from Target, and it's very cozy. You can see outside guys, it was snowing there. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit of this display over here if some of you are interested to know where this came from. This one also from Ross 3 years ago, and I bought this one from Facebook Marketplace, and I really love the lion head on it. And I turn it, sometimes I do it like this. So on sometimes I put flowers on it, and you've seen that one on my haul. And right over here, this beautiful, this is very heavy, this is crystal horse, and I believe I also got this one in an antique shop 2 years ago, and I haven't had a chance to style them. The candle holder right there came from Amazon. And right over here, so I decided to put my garland, and using this before on my Valentine's tablescape, and sometimes I do for the blue and white. So for now, I did not style this a lot of flowers because I would like to fill it up with blue and white or either on Valentine's. So this is how it looked during winter, but later on I'm gonna more put flowers on here because this fireplace is very rustic, and I told you guys that I don't like it and some of you like it, so I'm not sure about that for now. That's how it looks, and the wall art came from Ross, and that one is $34.99. And shout out to a friend of mine that gifted me a gift card to buy those. And the log holder right here, this one came from Target, and I believe that one is Studio Magi collection last year. Alright guys, I think and also this one from Ross, the bookends from Target. I believe they still have this, and the gold books from Home Goods, the horse right there from At Home, and this one from Home Goods as well 3 years ago. Alright, the lamp, you see the lamp earlier, that shade, I don't like it because they have a different color. That's why I changed the shade with my black lamp shade, and later on I'm gonna find either way I can maybe paint those other original lamp here. And I really like the detail of this, and it's very pretty, and because look at the design, it's hammered and it's very well made, it's heavy, and it looks like to me a very high-end lamp. Okay, right over here, this one I'm not sure, I think this one from Burlington, and I thrifted this black and gold vase. You've seen this before on my Hollywood lamp. The flowers right here came from Crate and Barrel, and I believe this one is Queen Anne's flower, something like that. My mother-in-law told me that the name, but I'm not really sure. Alright, so my console table from Home Goods, and they have this online. I believe they already like almost $1,000, but we bought this from Home Goods for I believe $350 like 3 years or 4 years ago. Alright guys, so this is my winter decorating ideas, and I hope you like it. And I'm gonna transition this to Valentine's and spring later, and I still put the emerald green curtain there because I just put it during Christmas, and I'm still like to use it during winter because I think it's still perfect for winter. The only thing I do differently is I did not put a lot of emerald green throw pillow there. So my throw pillow, it's all about neutral. If you like this video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. And please don't forget to share this video. It really helps my channel. The next video I'm going to create, it will be a tablescape. It's been a while I haven't done a tablescape, and I kinda miss it, and I thank you guys too. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Be safe.